Hello everyone. Once again welcome you in this session Weather, Climate and Adaptation for Class 7, the question answer session. So here is the first question. Differentiate between weather and climate. What is weather? Weather is the condition or it is the day-to-day and hour-to-hour condition of a specific place at a given point in time. These atmospheric conditions may take place day by day, minute by minute, or seasonally. That is weather. Whereas climate is the average weather pattern or condition over a place and it mostly takes place after 30 years of time. That is climate. Weather may involve just one condition of the atmosphere. What do we mean by one condition? It means it could be rainy, it could be cloudy, or it could be sunny days. While climate includes all the conditions of the atmosphere such as temperature, precipitation, wind, humidity, cloud, and pressure. Weather occurs in a place within a short period. It means it is or occurs within the short period of time, whereas the climate takes place over long period of time. Weather is what you get on a daily basis. Weather is basically determined on daily basis, right? But climate is what you expect over a long time. Weather changes within a short time and we can say weather changes frequently. But the overall changes and variations of a climate are very stable and may take decades or centuries to occur. And the scientific study of weather is called meteorology, and the person who study about that, they are called meteorologist. Whereas the scientific study of climate is called climatology, and the person who study about them are called climatologist. Now the next question. The next question is, what are the factors affecting the weather of an area? So there are many factors that affect weather. Some of them are the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed. These are the major factors that affect the weather of a particular place. So one by one we will study that how these temperature affect. Like the weather is mainly affected by the sun that produces heat and they raise the temperature. So that is how, because of the sun heat, the temperatures raises or maybe the temperature fluctuate. Whereas what is the role of rainfall? Rainfall is the precipitated water droplets. So when it rains, the weather becomes very pleasant and cooler. However, if there is no rain, the weather becomes hotter and in extreme condition can even lead to drought-like conditions, which means rainfall makes the weather pleasant and cooler, right? Now, how humidity help to determine the rainfall? So humidity, what is first of all, what is humidity? It is the amount of water vapor present in air, that is humidity. And this humidity also play a very important role for surface life. For example, animals, they regulate their internal body temperature through sweating or perspiration, and that is possible only because of humidity. And this also, that humidity also plays very important role to increase the chances of rain. If humidity decreases, the chance of rain decreases and it leads to drought. So humidity also plays very important role in determining the weather of a particular place. Now, what is the role of wind? First of all, what is wind? So wind is nothing but air in continuous motion or moving air, that is called wind. It is the result of uneven heating of the earth. So how this how this wind help in determining the weather? Because wind moves heat and cold temperature as well as moisture from one place to another. So the way wind passes each other and the direction they move, they affect what weather a region will see on any given day. So you can see that winds can be like a slow breeze and they can also take the form of a storm. Depending upon the type of wind, the weather also get affected. So that is how the wind also plays very important role to determining the weather. Now the next question is, write a short note on the factors that affect the climate of the earth. There are many factors they affect the climate of the earth. Some of them are distance from the sea. Climate of a place varies according to the closeness of the sea. If the place is near about the sea or coastal areas, their temperature is neither too hot nor too cold. Right? For example, Mumbai and Chennai. And the places which is far away from the sea, they have they have extreme hot summer days or very cold winter. For example, Delhi. Now, the next is altitude. Altitude or height above sea level, climate also varies according to the altitude, right? So how this altitude affect the weather? Like the place, whether it is located on high mountains or plains, right? A place at higher altitude will have a cooler climate than another plain or places. This is why hill stations always have a cool climate. So now the next factor is humidity. I just told you now that how humidity affect the weather. That humidity also helps in determining the climate of a place. Like if you see that if less humidity, less rainfall. So if less rainfall, it can lead to the drought, right? So humidity also affect the climate. The next one is distance from the equator. Distance from the equator also affect the climate. The area which is near the equator, they receives high amount of sun rays, so they may have very high hot summer days, very hot summer days, wherein the area away from the equator, they receives less amount of sun rays, so they may have cooler climate. So that distance from the equator also helps in determining the climate of a particular area. Now the next question is, differentiate between extreme climatic condition of the hot tropical regions and extremely cold regions. So basically we have to talk about tropical rainforest or tropical region and polar regions, right? So what are the difference? Tropical regions, that means the area of earth that is near both sides of the equator is called tropical region, whereas areas situated near the poles of the earth are called cold regions, or they may be called polar regions, right? Tropical regions has generally a hot climate because they are near about equator, but cold region has extremely cold climate because they are in polar regions and they are far away from the equator, right? In case of tropical rainforest, or tropical regions, the days and nights are equal in length throughout the year. But wherein in colder regions, there are 6 months days and 6 months nights in that area. That means 6 days sunset is there, 6 months sunset and 6 month sunrise. Fourth difference is wide ranges of plants and animals are found. Tropical rainforest, because they having moderate climatic condition, they receives huge amount or lots of rainfall. So they receives heavy rainfall, the temperature is quite moderate, so that is why they have wide ranges of plants and animals, right? But in case of colder region, they do not have wide ranges of plants and animals because the climatic condition is not favorable condition. It is not the condition in which huge amount or wide ranges of plants and animals could be generated or could be survived. So that is the difference between colder region and tropical regions. Students, I hope you all will understand what is the question and answer. So go through the question and answer, write it in your notebook. Thank you.